Welcome to one of Georgia's most extraordinary legacy estates, where 305-plus breathtaking acres of rolling countryside, a private 28-plus acre spring-fed lake, miles of pristine waterways, and multiple residences come together to create a truly unforgettable property. offering fertile farmland, equestrian facilities, abundant recreation, and timeless southern charm. This remarkable estate presents endless possibilities as a private family compound, working farm, luxury retreat, event destination, or generational legacy property. At the heart of the estate lies the spectacular 28-acre spring-fed Krystal Lake, providing exceptional fishing, boating, and peaceful waterfront living surrounded by beautifully maintained grounds. The impressive 3,584 square foot lodge serves as the centerpiece for family gatherings and entertaining, featuring 4 bedrooms, expansive open living spaces, a pass-through kitchen, screened porch, swimming pool, and inviting outdoor patios that seamlessly blend indoor comfort with the surrounding natural beauty. Overlooking the lake, the charming lake house offers approximately 2,174 square feet, with 4 bedrooms, a private dock, and covered boathouse, creating the perfect retreat for family and guests. Additional improvements include a manager's home, the historic stone house, multiple barns, equestrian facilities with a horse barn and riding arena, and extensive agricultural infrastructure that supports a wide variety of farming and recreational pursuits. The land itself is equally remarkable. Approximately 45 acres of productive cropland combined with 140 acres of lush hayfields and rolling pastures, creating an ideal setting for horses, livestock, hay production, or expanding agricultural operations.